In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 1-inch margins on Google Docs. Creating standard margins can greatly enhance the visual appeal and readability of your document, whether it's for academic purposes or professional presentations. So let's dive right into the steps to achieve this. First, you'll need to open Google Docs, which we can do by going to Google Drive. Once you're on your Google Drive homepage, locate and click the New button. This is usually found on the left side of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear with several options, but for now, let's focus on selecting Google Docs from this list. If you don't have a document open already, you can create a new blank document, so we can move on with setting the margins. With your document open, the next step is to click on File in the top menu bar. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options. You're looking for something towards the bottom of this menu. Beneath the language settings, you'll notice the Page Setup option. Click on it. This is your gateway to formatting the document as per your needs. Once you've clicked on Page Setup, a new window will pop up with further options such as orientation, paper size, and margins. For our purpose today, we're focusing on the margins. Look for the margin settings, which usually show the value set for top, bottom, left, and right. All you have to do is adjust each of these to 1 inch. Simply input 1 in each of the margin fields, be it top, bottom, left, or right. This step is crucial as it ensures uniformity and balance throughout your document. When you've made these changes, you can click OK and the window will close, leaving you with your document and its newly set 1-inch margins. Congratulations, you've just standardized the formatting of your document. Remember, these settings will only apply to the current document unless you choose to set them as default for new documents. This means you might have to repeat these steps for any future documents, unless a unified format is what you're pursuing throughout your work. And there you have it. Setting up 1-inch margins in Google Docs is a simple process that you can accomplish in just a few steps. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need clarification on any steps, feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to assist. Have a great day adjusting those margins to perfection